Hello, this is Julie HR. Happy Saturday. Quick question. Have you ever struggled in deciding what to send out to a new hire upon their acceptance of your offer? I'm sure you have. I know I have a long time ago. Number one, you want to send this new hire a new hire packet. You want to have them hit the ground running. You want to get them up to speed, pre-boarding before their first day. Therefore, I put together this fantastic template with 2 inserts that will allow you to achieve what you need to be achieving before someone is brought on board for the first day. So this is a new hire packet. I know people get probably kind of confused. Well, what's in a new hire packet? Well, number one, I made this little front sheet. It'll have a welcome letter within this new hire packet. It has the first day information, first day agenda, new hire paperwork checklist, and points of contact. I didn't include it on there, but I also have 2 inserts that are optional that you can put on here. Another thing is you may want to also include the new hire paperwork, and I have a bundle for that, but I didn't include it in this particular listing on my Etsy page. But let's take a look at my new hire packet. Well, number one, this is a Word document. So you can easily change any of these items, you can change any of the words, but basically this is the welcome letter. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You have this, and then you have this over here. And basically the CEO, the HR director or whatnot, they can use these words or they can change them up. It's pretty neat to get a letter from the CEO or the HR director, but it already has verbiage already in there, so you're not having to make up your own. The employee will continue to scroll, whether you send it within a manila envelope to their house, or you can also send it via an email. And another plus about this particular template is it's not only a Word document, but it's also a Google Doc. So within my Etsy listing, you will see that too. Moving right along, it will tell the new hire about their first day info. You don't want the new hire to struggle with, oh my goodness, where am I going to park? What's going to be going on? What am I going to wear? What do I have to show at the gate? Right here it says, please be prepared to show your license to our gate security guard. So you want to give them a heads up. What are they going to expect? Expectations. What are they going to expect? Moving right along, your first day. Number one, we look forward to seeing you on blank at 8:30 below your schedule for your first day. The countdown begins. Get them excited. So here we have the agenda for the new hire pack within the new hire packet, which, you have 9 o'clock it starts, and you have the new hire paperwork review. However you want to structure it, it's all about you. Next, as mentioned below, and here these are all clickable, whatnot. You may or may not want to send new hire paperwork with the employee, but I think it's a great opportunity to go ahead, get the paperwork, get stuff processed, get the I-9 all squared away. And but this is a checklist for the employee. It helps them along. I know that you remember when you first started your job and you received all this paperwork. You're like, what in the world? But this just keeps the employee on task and has them complete their new paperwork. You can also change this up to a different type of checklist. Also, we have the points of contact with this document where you can put, the CEO, the IT director who will be setting up their desk, the executive administrative assistant, and on and on. Points of contact. That's great. So here we have the new hire packet. But I also added 2 other inserts, and this is what's also going to be is in my Etsy listing. You will see a first week onboarding agenda. This is by 15-minute increments by person, color coded. They're meeting with the HR director, the supervisor, their coworker. They're having department work, break. They're meeting with a mentor. They're having more department work. They're having one-on-ones with their manager. They are getting everything squared away. They're getting their safety training taken care of. The HR director is going over safety training, the OSHA video. And so this is, and here we have right here, HR specialists. They're helping out with the keys, the key cards, the codes. This particular onboarding agenda that I created specifically from scratch is top notch. I've heard that over and over, and I'm so excited to always hear it again. So hopefully everyone will take a look. So here we go with this. That's included, but I've also included it, and I featured it within my Etsy listing as a vertical one right here. So I could actually, on the front page, have it. So here is one that's vertical and not landscape, but essentially it is the same exact thing. Also, you want your new hire to understand their expectations from day one, from plus 90 plus days. Right here, here's an onboarding roadmap you can send them within that new hire packet to include, the IT people are going to be setting up their email addresses, getting their office ready. Day one, this is what's going to happen. They're going to be meeting with their department, having a luncheon. Day 2, mentor. Pre-boarding, this is the welcome period, these first 2 weeks. Next, day 30, you want to ramp up. It's called ramp up, collaboration, independence. Things during the ramp up is understand the employee needs to understand their role in the department, communication and decision-making process. Collaboration, there's shadowing, field training with team. This is going to get the employee excited, and it's those first 90 days is when a new hire decides yes or no, I'm going to leave the company. You want to retain that employee. You want that retention. You have to have that retention. And then 90 plus growth and development. So between the new hire packet, that first week onboarding agenda, and the 30, 60, 90, this employee is going to be so super excited about receiving this, whether it's in the mail, whether it's an email, whether it's a Google Doc link. And like I said, you may want to include your new hire paperwork. They are going to be hitting the ground running. So as mentioned, I'm going to link below in the description the link to this particular Etsy listing for you guys to take a look at, along with the new hire packet listing. Thank you so much. Have a great Saturday. And as always, please subscribe. Have a great day. Thanks so much.